Today I'm going to show you how to change the color of clothes in Canva. So before I do that, if you like this, please like, comment and subscribe. So the first thing you want to do is head to Canva, create a design, custom size, put in a size you want to use. You want to now select an image, so head to elements and choose an image you want to use to change, clothes. I'm going to use this guy. Background. Let me remove the background. Okay, cool. So now that's done, you want to head to Magic Edit. You want to now brush over the area. You want to select it slowly. Once that's done, select continue and then type in change color to red. So this is basically an AI tool that Canva has, and once you select generate, it will take some time to generate and it should change the color to red, and you can change it to all sorts of color of your choice. There you go. Now if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. It will really help me out a lot, and I'll see you in the next video.